Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to do our 50th draw in the Ducati event, and we're hoping to get Ducati Leomord. It's a 50-50 chance of getting Benedetta or Leomord. So here's the pattern. Hope we can get this Leomord. Let's get Leomord, guys. We got duplicate skin. Yes! We got Leomord! Woo! Lucky! Yes, we got Leomord on the main account as well.
Like the Crimson Lightning.
All is left is the third account. So this is my 475th skin on my second account. Diabel D4 Rider Leomord. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your draws. Bye-bye.